Someone here will try at parang wala na 'tong practice-practice pa. Kasi naniniwala siya rito na 'pag binigla niya ito, mas kaya niya itong gawin. Yan, oh. Grabe, miss yan, kinakabahan. Aggressive ba yan? Hmm, ah, hindi naman. Kasi parang nakakaramdam ako sa kanya dito ng kahit na parang may ganito siyang thinking, parang kinakabahan siya. Yan. May ganun tayong nararamdaman dito. Oh, by the way, mga babes, no, naalala ko lang kasi, medyo marami kasi akong mga nabasang, 'di ba, mga updates, kaya gumawa ako ng content updates for no communication or um, no no talking, no, dun sa person na naka-connect, no? Kaya ako gumawa ng content nun last time, no? But nakita ko parang ang dami pa ring mga people, no, na parang they're really curious about what that person here is doing or possibly thinking about them, no, even though they're not communicating. Ano ba yung mga gusto nilang sabihin, no? So yeah, I will be opening my door. Okay. But with those only na no communication, so I will be calling this as something here. By the way, temporary lang ito, no? It will not be permanent, okay? I will just be doing this because I will be having more time, no? More free time, no? Pero for just a short period of time lang kasi I will be busy again, no? So, for that short period of time, I will be opening doors no, for those who want na i-try yung hidden secret messages. No, that is a personalized reading only for those who are interested. You may contact me here at the High Priestess tarotkr@gmail.com. No, so ano bang meron dun? I'm gonna channel the messages of that person. Okay? Kasi, ano ba yung mga bagay na hindi niya kayang sabihin sa'yo? Lalo na ngayon, no contact kayo. No, ano ba yung mga bagay na hindi niya kayang i-admit sa'yo? Pero, yung current energy niya, yun yung real time na gusto niya sabihin sa'yo. Ano ba yung mga naiisip niya about sa'yo? Ano ba yung mga bagay na nararamdaman niya about sa'yo? And that's what we're gonna get for you. Okay? So, if you're curious, no, kahit na wala kayong contact or communication ngayon, no, we're gonna get that for you. Okay? So, if you're interested, then you might want to message and inquire dun sa Gmail, no, na nakikita ninyo sa screen. Okay? Pero temporary lang yan, mga babes, no? Ibig sabihin, kapag naging busy na ulit ang lola ninyo, balik tayo sa normal nating routine. Yan, no? So, let us, whoever that person is, that is one of the sincerest energy na meron ka around you. So, whoever that person is, this person here could be offering you something. This is something here solid. Pwede mo pagkatiwalaan, no? It's an offer right here. Yan. So, that's what we're gonna find out. Let us, okay. Oh, yung totoo, babes. San punta? Yan, no? Mukhang nakikita kita dito na parang matataranta ka, no? Yung parang, alam mo yung energy na hindi mo alam kung tatakbo ka ba sa kaliwa, tatakbo ka ba sa kanan, no? Hindi ka naman sumasayaw dito. Pero mukhang pag nangyari to ng mga babes, no? Ito yung klase ng energy, matataranta ka. To the point na hindi mo alam kung saan ka pupunta, tatakbo ka ba papuntang kaliwa, papuntang kanan, papuntang sideways, 'no, may mga ganyan, 'no. So, bahala ka kasi mukhang dito hindi mo alam kung saan ka tatakbo, 'no, 'di mo alam kung sa northeast ba, sa southwest, mga ganyan, 'no. So, mamaya sabihin ko sa inyo kung bakit, 'no. It is because of someone here appearing as the Ten of Wands energy, you know. Meron ditong energy ng isang individual kung saan mukhang nakikita ko siya rito bilang isang paladesisyon. Yan, no? So, huwag ka naman masyadong kabahan na mamaya sasabihin ko sa'yo kung bakit. Yan, no? So, let's keep moving. Yun, no? See, hinihintay ko lang talaga to eh. Pero ito na talaga yun. Oh, diba? Right at the heart of this reading is the Two of Cups energy right here, no? And, oh, see? This person here is, quite nervous, no? And look at that, hindi naman talaga namamawis yung palad ko, pero tingnan mo, pawis mo. So, kinakabahan siya, no? So, whoever this individual is, no, this person here looks like, no, nervous, ninenervyo siya, no? So, let's keep moving. Oh, the lovers. Oh, okay. Okay. Bottom of the deck. Okay. So, let me finish. Okay. So, before we dive deeper, no, let me just greet everybody. Hi and hello there everyone. Thank you so much for being here with me again. And sa mga newbies, new subscribers, thank you so much dahil nandito kayo. Welcome. Tuloy po kayo at sana magstay kayo together with me pabalik-balik ng mga viewers and subscribers. Thank you so much for being here with me every day, no? At sa mga ginawa na talagang radio at routine talaga ito na parte ng kanilang daily routine. Thank you so much, babes, no? Pero basta tandaan ninyo, no? Only take what resonates, no? So, yun nga, no? Wala tayong gender dito, mga babes. Babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat kayo. Welcome. And of course, no, mga babes, no? Wala ritong time period. Wala rin tayong age dito. Okay? So, meaning to say, ito ay posibleng nangyari na sa iba naman nangyayari sa kasalukuyan, at sa iba naman, no, mangyayari pa lamang. No, sino ba itong paladesisyon na to, Miss Yan? No, sino ba yan? Oh. Well, nakita ko dito na itong paladesisyon na to, mga babes, no, is lumalabas rito na energy na posibleng kilala mo na siya. Malakas po yung chance ang kilala mo na siya. No? At nakikita ko rito that this person here could be already around you for mga years na, or yeah, mga taon na, no, or even kilala mo na. O siguro nakilala mo mga ilang buwan na, no, nakalilipas. No? So, nakita ko rito na itong person na to, no, is meron siya ritong desisyong gagawin. Kaya nga tinawag ko siya ritong pala desisyon. Kasi yung desisyong gagawin niya dito, no, it looks like this person here will be announcing, no, the Ten of Cups right here is appearing as the people around you who is already with you, no, from day one. Ibig sabihin, the closest people in your life, or let's say, the people around you na palagi mong nakakasama or nakikita. Okay? This could be your friends, this could be your family members, or this could be your workmates, no? Especially kung medyo matagal-tagal ka na rin dyan sa pinagtatrabahuhan mo, no? Or yung iba feels like matagal na kayo dyan na parang komportable na kayo with your coworkers, no? Sa mga kasama ninyo mag-lunch, mag-coffee break, no? Yossi break or whatever, yan, no? So, nakita ko dito na meron ditong pala desisyon. Doesn't have to be na yung energy niya is mayabang or whatever. Hindi ganun eh, no? Kagaya nung pinakita ko sa inyo kanina, na parang konti na lang pag piniga niyo yung palad ko, mga babes, no? Pwede nyo nang isampay. Kasi kinakabahan siya eh, no? Pero pala desisyon niya ang gagawin niya dito. Ano ba ibig sabihin niya rito, no? Kasi with this Ace of Swords energy, ano, this person right here, kaya ka matataranta to the point na hindi mo alam, no, kung saan ka pupunta dito, no, this person here will be announcing, no, will be telling to the people around you, the people close to you, no, ano bang anunsyo yan, Miss Yan, no? Let's get straight to the point here, honey. This person here will tell yung mga taong malalapit sa buhay mo, no? One, possible na i-announce niya rito, no, nang biglaan, so suddenly. Yan, no? Nang biglaan, no, kaptagi na ikaw, collective, no, like this person here, no, will announce na itong person na katabi ko ngayon, siya yung future spouse ko, yung future wife ko, yung future husband ko. And this is you. Oh, wala man lang preno, 'di ba? Ina-announce niya ni ikaw ang kanyang future spouse, no? Future asawa, 'di ba? Future wife, future husband right here, no? And this is you, parang hindi mo alam kung gusto mo bang tumiklop sa hiya, ayan, no? Kung hindi mo alam kung saan ka pupunta, tatakbo ka ba? Papunta doon, papunta sa kaliwa, papunta sa kanan, papuntang northeast, no? Papuntang NCR, Region 1. O lalabas ka ng bansa via helicopter. So, kung ano man yung gagawin mo rito, hindi mo alam, no? Kasi parang ikaw to, na wala naman kayo, but this person here is announcing to the people around you, or close to you, or the people here na mga kasama mo, no? Na ikaw daw ang kanyang future love, no? So, how romantic is that? How sweet is that? Very sweet, of course, no? Very sweet kung meron kayo, pero walang kayo. Because you're saying here na wala man lang siyang preno. Yan, no? Wala man lang siyang preno. Miss yan. Bakit niya sinabi yun? Bakit niya kailangan sabihin na ako yung kanyang future spouse dito, no? And then this is you with this energy right here na parang hindi mo alam kung anong gagawin mo, no? Parang gusto mo siya rito batuhan, soplakin, no? Kasi parang meron ka dito sinasabi na sabi ko nga sa inyo, kilala niyo na siya. Okay? So, posibleng, paano mo kayang sabihin na ako yung future asawa mo? Halos, alam mo yun, no? Halos, super close na kayo rito, no? Na parang magkapatid na tayo dito. Tapos, iniisip mo yung ganyan. May mali siya pala ako sa paningin mo. Yan, no? Parang ganun ka sa kanya. Yan. In short, parang at first, um, instantly, parang mare-reject mo siya agad-agad kasi nagulat ka. Because this is so suddenly. Okay? Kapsagi. So, kung sino man tong energy na to, na magugulat ka to the point na, how can you tell everybody na ako yung future spouse mo, ako yung future wife mo? Naiisip mo ba yun? Halos, halos kumakain na tayo sa isang plate, halos magkasama na tayo palagi, halos magkapatid na tayo dito. How could you say that? Yan, no? Parang ikaw to na parang gusto mong i-cross yung iyong arms, no? Sa iyong body, no? And then saying na, so may mali siya pala ako sa paningin mo. Huh! Yan, diba? Parang natataranta ka. Ikalma mo, babes. Uminom ka ng water, no? Yung maligamgam na water. And then, upo ka at huminga ng malalim. Yan, no? Kasi nga magugulat kayo dito. Yan, no? So, nakita ka dito mga babes na yun yung isang scenario. No? This person here will announce na ikaw yung kanyang future spouse, future wife, future husband right here, no? Pero, mas magiging romantic sana yun sa thoughts mo, no? Kung gusto mo din siya or meron kayo, 'di ba? It will really sound more romantic, isn't it? No? Pero walang kasing kayo eh. Kaya parang galit ka rito or natataranta ka, no? Pero others would be dun kayo sa scenario na possible na hihingi siya ng permission to the people around you muna, no? If is it okay, no? Lalo na kung sa family members mo, no? Is it okay na ligawan kayo even though it looks like you're almost parang like a family na, no? So, baka humingi mo na siya ng permission sa mga parents mo, sa iyong family mo 'no, kasi parang nagkaroon kayo rito ng status na possible na kayo ay close friends 'no, ta's biglang, magcha-change rito ng feelings 'no, kasi hindi mo naman talaga makokontrol yung feelings mo and you really cannot choose who to love, lalo na 'pag nagsimula ng tugtog, tugtog 'no, ang iyong heart. So, nakita ko dito mga babes, naku, sino naman 'tong energy na 'to? Okay, I do see that this person here really is serious about you. Yan. So, nakita ko dito, bakit niya ba 'to ginagawa na Miss yan, 'no? Dito, nagulat ako with the Eight of Pentacles or Eight of Coins energy to the Seven of Cups, no? This person right here wants to add flavor to his or her life. Yan, no? In short, no? Kumbaga sa luto, di ba pagka walang lasa yung food, ayaw mo kainin. Or kapag ka masyado maalat, masyado maanghang, masyado matamis, masyadong matabang, masyadong maasim, ayaw mo kainin. So this person right here, possible na dun siya magfo-fall sa walang lasa, 'no? Or wala masyadong parang bland yung lasa ng life niya. Gusto niya mag-add ng flavor. So, ibig sabihin, this person right here possibly wants something new, wants to spice up his or her life. And this person right here, no, kumbaga sa condiments, no, ikaw yung nakikita niyang flavor. Ikaw yung spice na magdadagdag ng flavor sa kanyang life. Na yun yung sinasabi niya dito. That's why this person here is making a bold move. You know, the King of Wands energy, we do not have any gender right here. Of course, LGBTQs, mga my loves, you're also welcome here. But this is just an energy of someone who wants to pursue you. Even though you will reject him instantly, others, gagawin niyo yun kasi magugulat kayo, no? And for others naman, no, nakita ko rito na kahit na i-reject niyo pa siya agad-agad or i-reject niyo siya rito ng paulit-ulit pa rin po niya kayong ipupursue. Kaya mga babes, no, huwag na kayong masyadong magpakapagod kasi kahit anong gawin ninyo, ipupursu niya pa rin kayo, no? Kaya ikalma ninyo, umpo kayo dyan, inom kayo ng maligamgam na tubig, no? Huminga kayo ng malalim, inhale, exhale, yan, no? At magpaypay ka. Yan, no? Ba't naman magpaypay? Kasi kahit nakatutok na sa iyo yung electric fan or kahit may aircon na kayo dito, nakikita ko, no, na kakabahan ka at hindi mo rin alam yung gagawin mo, no? At yung iba, pagpapawisan pa kayo, kahit na malamig naman yung paligid ninyo. Okay? Because the nervousness that will come from you is coming from your emotions and energy. Yan, no? But in the future, here's what I'm seeing. The angels and guides of yours with the Six of Cups energy, Ace of Wands over here. No, by the way, you've got two aces. No, Ace of Swords and there's this Ace of Wands. So definitely, there's really something here going on. No, in the divine realm. Okay, meaning to say, nakikita ko kayo rito that even though you could be rejecting this at first, or even though you're trying to get away from it, or maybe you're trying to escape from this, you cannot escape from this. I'm seeing you in the future. Here's the future outcome of this. I'm seeing you giving in. Unti-unti ka rin bibigay rito sa connection na ito. Because this is something here that your heart truly wants. No? Marami tayong mga gusto. No? Marami tayong mga hinahangad, desire, especially when it comes to love and romantic feelings and emotions. But you have this inner desire of what, Miss Yan? This is you. You want someone here who will pursue you no matter how tough you are. Okay? You will eventually fall for this person here. Magkakaroon ka ng feelings and emotions sa kanya because of that gagawin niyang paulit-ulit na pag-pursue sa'yo. This time, you will not see him or her as the normal or usual, no? If this is like a brother to you, if this is like a sister to you, then this person here will break that. Okay? You will eventually see this person here as a man, as a woman. No? And in the future, I'm seeing you creating here a life as a couple. And you will marry this person over here, and you will love this person here, okay, as much as this person here loves you. See how magically, no, at napaka-mysterious ng love, no? Kaya mga babes, huwag kayo mag-worry, wala naman ditong age. Alam niyo, yung iba nga dyan, may edad na, di ba? Pero it's not too late for them to find their love, no? Because the angels are real. God is real. The universe, totoo, tunay, 'di ba? Kung nakatakda ka talagang makapag-asawa, makakapag-asawa ka kahit na wala kang gawin diyan. No? Angels will bring that to you because it is your destiny, isn't it? Okay? So do not worry, stop worrying, no? Basta focus on yourself, do that self-love, tell yourself every day, look at the mirror, honey, no? And look at your face. Ang ganda-ganda ko. Sino tong Diyos ang nakikita ko? Grabe, nakaka-inlove naman. In love na ako sa sarili ko. No? Tell it to yourself every day. Grabe. Ang gwapo ko talaga. Yan, no? So, you know, you need to have that strong confidence in you. Because that energy, no? Yan yung magbabibrate, no? Calling your soulmate, kung nasan man siyang parte ng world, kahit nandun pa siya sa dulo ng North Pole, kahit na nandun pa siya sa Antarctica, or kahit nasan pa siyang lupalop ng mundo, kahit hindi pa siya sinisilang dito, no? Ipapanganak yung tao na yan para sa'yo, no? Because the red string is real, that red string na nagdudugtong, no, sa dalawang tao rito, no, na destined for each other, that is real. If you believe in love, and if you believe that love really exists, then love is for you. Okay? But if you do not believe in love, una sa lahat, no, how can love come to you? Diba? So, first of all, change your belief here, honey. No? Receive the love. Okay? So that the love of your life will come to you. Okay? So, yeah, thank you so much for your time here, babe. Maraming salamat sa oras mo. Muli ako po si Yan Sarang Heo. Love and light. Yeah.